Hi everyone, today we're bringing 3D text to life. I'll show you how a simple image texture can completely transform your model's look. Then we'll dive into how to set up a cycle loop to pulse your emission on and off. By the end, you will see exactly how to take your text from a flat noon to a professional boat. Let's get started. As always, select the cube and the light X, delete. Add the text. Go in properties of the text, make it in the center. Go here and rotate it 90 degrees. Go back to properties of the text, hold shift and extrude it. Maybe make it 0.05. Now the depth, hold shift and give it a little depth. Make it like this, and here switch to none. Now you have your text like this. So hit tab and hit anything you want. Hit tab to close. In font, I will not use default font here. I switch to my computer and I choose this one. You can download it for free in dafont.com. Now increase the space between character, right click, convert this text to mesh. Now add a plane, S to scale it up, G, Z, down, now hit tab, select edges and select this one, extrude it in Z axis, hit tab to close, go in modifier, add modifier, generate, select bevel, increase this and give it some segment. Right click, shade smooth. Select the view that you want for your camera. Now Ctrl Alt numpad 0 to activate the camera. Hit N, view, camera to view. Now you can adjust the view for your text. Now select the text, S, Z and extrude it like this. G, Z and move it up. Now okay, we are finished with modeling this text. Now let's give it some material. So here right click, make this in shader editor, go here in preview, hit N, now select the plane, hit new, in material, in this green point, choice diffuse BSDF, roughness down. Now select the text, hit new, choice emission, increase the emission, maybe just like this. Now go to the render view. As you can see, it's not good. Why? Because we must switch to cycles. Activate GPU if you have one. Enable the noise. This number decrease to 32 and this one 120. Let's make the render image and the animation faster. Now Control T to active image texture and mapping and texture coordinate. If you haven't, just go in Edit, in Preferences, in Add-ons, in Search bar, hit Node and enable this and save Preferences. Okay, now open any image you have in your computer. So for me, I select, or maybe this one. This text selected, hit Tab and hit I and go in UV and select Smart UV Projection. Now here horizontal split and switch here to UV editor. Now you can scale or descale the image. So hit tab and now we have maybe it's too much, so I decrease this maybe to 20. You can increase the scale, as you can see. As you increase the scale you have, you can make it with any image you want. Just to give this emission a nice look. Not like this, it's boring, but with image, let's give it a nice look. Select the text and make it bigger, SY. Okay, now select the camera and go in properties of the camera and decrease this to maybe the focal length choice 36, and here make it in 10,000. Now you can zoom maybe SX. Okay, now go in world properties and make it darker. Now we can see our text. It's good. As you can see, it's easy to do. So what you think about this? Let me know in the comment if you got it too. Now if I go to render one image, as you can see, when you put this, it's easy, it's faster to render. As you can see, it's done in 16 seconds. Now we want to animate this emission. So select this. Make sure that you are in frame 1. And now here, right click, insert keyframe. Now go, for example, in 4 frames. Now change this to 0. Right click, insert keyframe. Now I go in frame 8 and I change it to 20,100. Oh, just type 221. Right click, insert keyframe. I must do just 21. It's good. Right click, replace a keyframe. Now if you play, you have this, but we want to loop in this on and off of this emission in this timeline. To do that, we must, so we are finished with UV, so I switch to graph editor. Disable this and switch here. Make sure that you are in this and go in modifier, add modifier and select cyclics. Now if you play, now you have this cool animation of this emission. If you want to render the animation, it's very easy. Just go here in output properties, select the resolution that you want, select just the render region, select the number of frame that you want, and here you can select the folder where you want to be your animation, and here select image or video. I always select image, I make it in JPEG, and after I transform the images in software editor to video. In color management, select high or very high contrast, free to you, and after that just go in render and render your animation. So I hope that you like it. If you want me to make more tutorials like this, please, more interaction, more comment. If you want to make a simple and quick animation in geometry nodes, check this video in the end. So that's it. See you there.